Am I the only one that didn't know why we say bless you when someone sneezes? Let's dive into the surprising history. So, back in the day, people believed sneezing expelled evil spirits or made you vulnerable to illness. Pope Gregory I even told folks to say God bless you to ward off the plague. Others thought sneezing might let your soul escape. Fast forward to today, and it's more about being polite. Saying bless you has stuck around as a quick, kind gesture. Plus, it helps break the awkward silence after a big sneeze. So next time someone sneezes, remember, you're part of a centuries-old tradition. Gesundheit. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Why We Do That in Life.